there is so much work to be done in the world, and so few people who are willing to stand up and meet the challenge of getting that work done. There's work in our schools, our community centers, our mosques, our churches, at our jobs. And the question looming in everyone's mental skies is how? How are we going to get this work done? And the only answer that has rang true over the years in the halls of history is together. Because together we can do what is hard and we can achieve what is great. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step, and then change begins. That we cannot look outside ourselves for the leaders, because we are the ones that we've been waiting for. We are the ones who will bring about change in the world. Ours are the hands that will heal the world. Ours are the voices that will speak truth to power. Ours are the feet that will carry this message of standing for what you believe in with measurable and sustainable differences, because we are the ones that we've been waiting for. Stands up, and then 10 people stand up, and then 500 people stand up, and then the world shifts. And then we'll bring about this thing called salvation. Salvation of human rights, salvation of children's rights, salvation of everyone understanding that they matter, that their voice matters, that their life matters.
To be the stand is to make the choice that my life matters and makes a difference. And not just in any kind of way, like no kidding, like if it was left up to me, if I was the cause of it, that I would stand up and be it.